Welcome, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy M31s and I'll show you how to unmute ringtone on this device. So you can do it by these two ways. Just first one, you should go into the settings and then tap here on the sounds and vibrations section. Here tap on the volume section and just to unmute your ringtone swipe this blue dot to the left side. And also we got the second way how we can do that, but first be sure that here you get disable this option, because if you enable, just tap once here on the switcher and when you use your volume buttons you will change your media volume, not the ringtone one. So just turn off this option, and now just by press your up volume button, so just go here to our home screen and just by press our up volume button we can unmute our ringtone. And by the third way we can do it, just you should press one from your volume buttons and here just slide this volume panel to the upside just to unmute your ringtone. So that's it, that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.